Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School Mahua am here to further continue with the subject of social science for the students of class 8. My dear students, during the previous lecture, we were studying unit number 7, that is following the Mahatma part 1. We studied about Nehru report in 1928, in which the various political parties of India met in Delhi in order to frame our constitution. The constitution, which was prepared a draft of the committee which prepared the draft of the constitution, were to be acceptable by all the parties of the country, and hence the Nehru report was prepared, which was rejected by the Muslim League, and therefore it was not accepted by the British government. Let's see the resolution of complete freedom in 1929. The time limit given to grant self-governance to India as per Nehru report got over. Indian National Congress convened a session at Lahore in December 1929 under the presidency of Jawaharlal Nehru. In this conference, a resolution of Purna Swaraj, that is complete independence, was passed, and the tricolour was unfurled on the banks of river Ravi at midnight of 31st December 1929 as a mark of Purna Swaraj. Members took the oath of complete freedom on 26 January 1930. Hence, to commemorate this day, the Indian Constitution was enforced on 26 January 1950. So the resolution of complete freedom, that means the resolution which was passed in order to get complete independence, was passed. The time limit which was given to grant the self-governance to India as per the Nehru report was over, and hence a session was held in Lahore in December 1929 under the presidency of Jawaharlal Nehru. In this conference, a resolution of complete Swaraj was passed, and hence at the midnight of 31st December 1929, a tricolour flag was unfurled on the banks of river Ravi. The people took the oath on 26 January, and hence the Indian Constitution was also enforced on 26 January 1950. Mahatma Gandhi had become the president of the Indian National Congress only once, that is in 1924, which was held in Belagavi. So, my dear students, here we are at the end of today's chapter. Now, let us see chapter number 8, India Challenges and Solution. In the modern times, the external means of development have changed. The internal means of development, having more or less remained the same. Honesty, moral values, awareness towards the rights and duties of the citizen, traffic awareness, sensitivity towards environment, scientific attitude, etc. have not developed as much as the material development. Social evils like superstitions, illiteracy, and ignorance still prevail in our society. So, as per the name suggests, India Challenges and Solutions, where there are various challenges which are faced by our country, and there are various solutions to it. But let's have a look that what are the means of development and how the external development affects the internal development, and the vice versa. There are many kind of awareness, rights and duties which are given to the citizens, the sensitivity towards the environment, scientific attitude, etc. The internal means of development has not developed as much as the external means. That means we can say that superstitions, illiteracy, social evils still prevail in our society rather than that of materialistic development. That means infrastructure, etc. The institutions of the local self-government, educational institutions, and the non-government organizations have played a vital role in ensuring the social and the professional development of nation. The society shows many positive changes, which is a credible fact. There are many type of organizations, educational institutions which provide a professional development of the nation. Many of those organizations provide free food, education, clothing, and a good level of good level of standard, so that the people of the society can move towards the professional development, and hence it shows many positive changes. Still there are more changes, many changes to be challenges to be faced. Pollution, unemployment, poverty, illiteracy, terrorism, etc. are serious problems to ponder over. It is necessary to think about them and find the solution to it. The ideas of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole earth is my family, need to be inculcated, and hence there are many other problems which hinders the development of a nation, and hence we need to find the solutions to it. The idea of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that means the whole earth is my family, is to be followed. So my dear students, the classification of the challenges is what we will do in the very next class. So till then, thank you and have a nice day.